In this video, Christmas decorations are coming down. Kitchen, living room, bathroom, and bedroom. Putting everything away till next year. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, I made a little simmer pot and it's kind of perked me up, and I'm going to take my decorations down in my kitchen. I hung up my new calendar, so that's done. So it's kind of inspired me to get some of these decorations down. Now, I just left my fairy garden on my table, so I thought that looked good. And next I'm going to take my two wreaths down. Okay, I'm just going to get this stuff off. And put these guys in the wash. Okay. Yeah, let's just move that spring tray out. Hi, my name is Sharon and I'd like to welcome you to my channel, and I'd especially like to welcome all my new subscribers and give a big huge thank you out to all my regular subscribers who watch me every week. I do Tiny Tidy Tuesdays, Fairy Garden Thursdays, and Sundays it's always a surprise, so I'm calling it Surprise Sunday. Thanks again for joining me in this video. And if you haven't subscribed and you like this content, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and a comment so I know who's out there watching. And you need to put that stuff away. So I have to go figure that out. I got my kitchen. Yeah, I got my Christmas decor in my kitchen taken down, and I put not much down here. Just a few things. We'll take the snowman wreath down. There we go. And we have some knickknacks up here. So we'll put them down in a box. These guys are breakable, so the stuff that I'm throwing on the floor are fresh greens that I stuck in this shelf, and they have all dried up. And I did clean it up after. All my Santas. I decided that I would put all the bottle brush trees in one box so that I know where they are, so if I want to use them I can find them quickly. So that's what I'm doing right here, is I'm packing up all my bottle brush trees. And I'd like to invite you again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It's free and it really helps get me out there so that people know my videos are around and they will watch. Thank you very much. Well, thank heavens the tree caught you. The camera fell over. Those are done. Okay, well, we've got most of the decorations off the tree. I got to get the big Santa down, and then I'm going to take the garlands off. And that won't take very long. Can I reach the Santa? Oh, yes, I can. Or what made my tree look flopped. And I think putting the garlands on gave a nice effect of a flocked tree. So I can have a green tree or a flocked tree. So I thought that was a pretty good idea. And there's the tree. I think it's all undecorated. So we'll have to bring the box up. We'll bring the box up and get it put in the box. And this is the skirt. It's a wicker skirt. I think it's really nice. I shopped this at my daughter's house. My daughter has had extras, so she said, "Mom, take that one and use it." So I've used it for the 2 years now. Here's the decorations from the tree. Aren't all my decorations. My daughter and I share decorations. So those two big bins there are a combination of all our decorations. Anyhow, I've got Christmas out of my living room once I move the bins and get the tree put away. So I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Me taking down my Christmas in my kitchen. I did do the bathroom, but I didn't film it. And my living room and my entryway. So I hope you enjoyed all of this. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'd like to welcome any new subscribers and thank all my regular subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for tuning in and clicking on my videos and leaving a comment and a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It's free. And I'll see you in my next video, which will probably be a tiny tidy Tuesday, because I'm going to put this one up on a Sunday. Okay, bye.